quick reading for the month of December, which is the entire December for water signs. Ang nakikita natin dito, magkakaroon tayo ng overwhelming feelings, no? Not because, well, kasama na yung connection natin, kasama na yung relationship, pero kasi since nandito na yung holidays, no, there are things that probably our mind is really busy. Siguro gusto nating gawin ang lahat ng bagay, matapos ang lahat ng bagay, so magka-cram tayo dito. I feel like itong mga gusto nating gawin, no, maaapektuhan itong relationship natin. This time, kailangan natin mag-manage ng time. Kasi, I feel like ikaw, no, ikaw mismo, baka masisi mo kasi si person, bakit ganito, bakit ganyan. Kasi nag-open tayo ng mga opportunities or ng mga doors para mas maging busy tayo. So, one day at a time, no? Tapusin muna natin para magkaroon tayo ng time din para sa relationship. Alright? So, this is your quick reading for the month of December, water signs.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.